Hello everyone, how to find the square root of the following expression? We do not use calculator. Now solution. We find the square root of this expression. So take square root of this expression, that is square root of 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 plus 1. Square root of 10 into 11 is 10 plus 1. 12 is 10 plus 2. 13 is 10 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to square root of, let a is equal to 10. Therefore, this expression will be a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3 plus 1. Now arrange this as it way. A into a plus 3 into a plus 1 into a plus 2 plus 1. Now we multiply these two terms and these two terms, then we get a into a square, a into plus 3a bracket into a square, a into 2 plus 2a plus 1 into a plus 1 into 2 plus 2 plus 1. Next step, square root of a square plus 3a into a square plus 2a plus a, 3a plus 2 plus 1. Again, let a square plus 3a is equal to x. Then it will be square root of x into x plus 2 plus 1. Next step, square root of x into x square plus x into plus 2, 2x plus 1, and this can be written as x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square, and this expression is in the form is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So it will be root over a is x, b is 1 whole square, then the square root and square cancel, is equal to, but x is equal to a square plus 3a, this is equal to x plus 1 is equal to x is equal to a square plus 3a, a square plus 3a plus 1, but a is equal to is equal to 10. Therefore, here is 10 square plus 3 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 10 square is 100 plus 3 into 10 30 plus 1 is equal to, now adding these three terms we get 100 plus 30 plus 1 1 3 1, then this is equal to 131. Therefore, square root of our expression is 131. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.